Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lady Like May. This is Sherry. For today's video, we are going to test out the Snocca reusable press-on nails. For this video, I am going to tell you everything you need to know about these nails, where you can purchase it, how long does it last, its application, is it really reusable, and more. If you're interested in all of those, then please keep on watching. This company reached out to me to test their nails, and these are all that they sent me. This cute nail accessory. So let's start with this nail set. It's called the Starry. I picked to review this for this video, and as you can see, I already have them on. I love the design of this set. I will talk about it more later. Let me show you first the other nail sets that they have. They really have an amazing designs for their nails. The price range is from $18.95 to $22.95. It is really an awesome deal, especially when you have designs like this. They have varieties of nail shapes to choose from. They have round, medium, short, square, but this one is my favorite, the round shape. Let's move on to the other nail set. This one is my second favorite, and it's called the Golden Age. Next is called Snow White, Black Swan, Aubrey, Rosa, this is called Lace, Lilac, these are for your toes, and it's called the Diamond Star. Now that you have seen all of the nail sets that I got, let's go ahead and move on to the application. So here, as you can see, these are my short nails. Let's transform it with this nail set. Here is what the packaging looks like. It's not the usual paper box of press-ons I typically use. These nails are stored in a sturdy plastic box, which made sense, because these nails are marketed as reusable ones, so you can really use this box for storing your nails. I like that they utilize the box like this. As you can see, all of the nails are in there, and also the instructions with pictures. Here inside we have the 42 nails in 20 sizes, which includes the 10 accent nails, 2 crystal embellishment nails, non-damaging adhesive strip, prep sponge, which is unusual for me, the manicure stick, and the file. Here are the adhesive strips. They have provided enough for the user, and it has a lot of sizes, so even if you have small nails like I do, it's going to be okay. You can still use these nails. To be honest with you, I have been wearing press-ons or glue-on nails for years now, but never have I tried to use adhesive strips. I have always relied on glue, so this is something new to me. So let's see if this really works. What I'm doing right here is checking all of the nails and selecting the sizes that I will use. One of the many reasons I love this nail set is because you get nails that has a lot of designs on it. So for its price, it's worth it. It has marble nails, gold chain, embellished nails, this bedazzled nails. I think I have 20 nails that has designs on it, and others are the plain blue nails. For the press-ons that I usually used before, it has only 6 to 8 design nails, and the rest are the plain nails. So with Snocca, you really can pick the look that you want. As usual, you can find the size of the nails on this side. I have laid all of the nails that I'll use for this video. So for the application, step 1, use the prep sponge to remove excess oil on natural nails for better adhesion. Next step, select the best fitting adhesive tab for each finger and apply tabs to your natural nails. Later on this video, as I test the nails if it is reusable or not, you will have a better look of what the adhesive tabs look like. I have prepped my nails for this, by the way. So the third step is peel off the protective film and press the artificial nails on. As I was really working with these nails, sometimes it is easier to peel from the side and at times it's easier to peel from the front. There's not right or wrong way to do this as long as you know that the adhesive tab has completely transferred on your nail. Now we can just press the nail firmly for at least 20 seconds for maximum adhesion. And lastly, I do this with every press-on nails I use. I file my nails to make sure everything is smooth. I know some of you are curious to know if it works with glue or not, just like I am. I will try to do this so you won't have to. To make the long story short, I don't want to bore you with it. Don't. I'm not sure why, maybe my glue is old, it just doesn't stay on my nails. This experiment is a mess. You'll ruin your artificial nails. Just use the adhesive that they've provided for you, and if you run out, don't worry, they sell the adhesive on their website. After I did the experiment with the glue, I realized, I know it was too late, but better realize it late than never. If you want to reuse these nails, you don't want any residue from the glue. If you use the adhesive, it will just come right off the nails easy compared to dealing with the glue residue. Let's scratch this experiment. Stick to using the adhesive. Fast forward 5 days after, I'll show you what my nails look like. This is what my nails looks like 5 days later. Remember that I messed up my right hand trying to use the glue? Well, it's probably the reason why my left hand feels intact and stronger compared to my right hand. This is how you know if your nails are still secure or not. When you see that the nails doesn't move, then it means it's strong and it's still good to go. This nail is weak and needs to be changed. Now it's time to test the reusability of these nails. With the use of the wooden stick, tilt your finger and carefully remove the nail. This is what the nail looks like even after my attempt to use the glue. I don't have a lot of glue residue in there because I was able to remove most of it. Again, with the wooden stick, I am carefully removing the adhesive from my nails. Now that the adhesive is completely out, I am using alcohol and Q-tip to sanitize my nail and the back of the artificial nails that I'm using. Now that I am sure that everything is clean, we're ready for the application. I promised you earlier a better look of the adhesive. The outer area is part of the protective film. You pull this to expose the adhesive. The inner part is obviously the adhesive itself. It's responsible for the full adhesion of the artificial nails to your nails, so make sure every time you pull, you are left with intact adhesive. here's my nails. It looks brand new again. I'm so happy with it. If you want to know my thoughts on how long does it really stay on your nails, well, personally, for my lifestyle, the daily chores that I do, and the constant hand washing, I say 1 week. I do change my nails every Sunday or Saturday, it depends, but on a weekends. So if I want to wear it longer, I can for maybe 2 weeks or even longer if you want. That is possible because, as you have seen, every time you have a problem with a weak nail, you can just fix it right away. And yes, these nails are indeed reusable. Just prioritize hygiene, make sure you are gentle in handling it, sanitize the nails, and you're good to go. And that's my review for the Snocca nails. I hope you find this video very informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button notification to be notified for my next video. Thank you all so much for being with me. Have a wonderful and blessed day.